While we were fishing, we heard some water splashing, and we looked, and there was a mother moose and the calf were crossing the river. That was the deepest part of the river, and the water was pretty swift. It was struggling. We could hear that little baby moose making its noise there, calling for its mother the whole time. We knew that the only way we were going to be able to help it was to go to that rock bar. But we also knew that if the mother moose felt threatened, like 3 or 4 jumps, she was going to be on that rock bar with us, and that turns into a dangerous situation. We've been around moose our whole life, and we know that a mother moose is dangerous. And that's when she's looking downriver at us, kind of like, hey, put your fishing poles down and come up here and help us. She turned and walked in the woods and went out of sight, so we couldn't see her. And Toby said to me, well, get your camera back out. We'll either get a video of helping this little baby moose, or at least if something goes wrong here, when somebody comes looking for us, they might be able to pick this camera up and see that, that we had good intentions, but it didn't quite go that way. I told Toby, keep an eye on that mother moose. The little moose made another attempt. When it came back towards the rock bar, the mother moose was just standing just up ahead. Right when I put it up on the bank, we run into the mother moose. We hurried up and got back out of there. We wanted to help it, but we didn't want to disturb too much. I probably could have put myself in danger, but at the time I didn't really think of that. We could have just went about our day and let nature be nature, but I guess it's just in us to help when we see a situation that we can maybe help. Just who we are, that's what we do. That was the first time that I ever held a baby moose. It was pretty heartwarming, really. That was pretty neat.
Oh, it's crazy.